I have here camping fan, simple. It is something that I have put to the test before, but they have upgraded a little bit. There is a hanger, boom, you can hang it in a tent, and as you can see, this one is very small compared to what they had before. There's a couple of batteries, looks like they're rechargeable, and they provided me some batteries. Oh cool, once you plug it in, you can use one of these wires to recharge it. Fan, more power, even more power. Oh yeah, in a tent, hot tent, it could be very useful. And there is a light. No way! Because that's a see-through kind of like a fan, it illuminates dimmer and darker. And let's do it on bright. And wow, that is so cool. All it is LED lights on the bottom, but this kind of like a glowing fan. Okay, camera adjusting like crazy. So you have plenty of light and fan at the same time. And the coolest part is, if you don't want to use it for the tent, you can use it by your bed. So it's like almost like a nightstand, but it is more for camping because you have a hanger, hang it on the top of your tent. You got light and you got fan. This one I got in the fan mail. It's some kind of, I don't know, camping stuff or something. Let's see how it works. 3-way over here. I hope I didn't do it upside down, but something like that, I guess. Wow, that's kind of cool. But I think this one's supposed to go in the middle first. There you go. Oh wow, it's actually pretty easy. Put it in. Boom. This is probably the lightest dry fill camping stuff I have put to the test. And look how much dry fill it comes with. I mean, they send it to me anyways. There's little tablets. You could probably just penetrate too. A lot of MRE still uses this kind of dry fills. Different countries anyways. Boom. And you put one in there and then boil the water. You know what? Let's start to boil the water. I'm gonna stack it up on 2 of them. Sometimes it's best to take it out and get it going like that. Oh, you know what? This is actually pretty cool dry fill. It seems like one of those fire starters. Okay, got it going. Stick it into the stove. Okay, it's burning good. Now let's put over a big pot. Wow, nice. It sits pretty comfortably. Okay, while the water is boiling, let's see what else I got here. Whoa, check this out. I'll let Kit over here. So what is this? Water bottle. Okay. Just a simple water bottle. Does it come up? Nope. Alright, that's kind of lame. But okay, let's see what else we have here. I hope this is a little bit cooler item. Oh wow, that's unique. Tight. That's a little cup with the rubber in around it, so that way I don't burn my fingers. Wow, what is this? This is like a water boiler. Yeah, that's it. This is a coffee maker. So you put water in here, you put coffee in here, then you close everything up and put it on boil, and then water will get hot and will transfer into here, and it will be already hot coffee. I have put to the test similar thing before like that. This is so cool. And it's like holds up together like that. Wow, that's unique. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Looks like 4 mugs for your coffee. I wouldn't be going hiking with them because they're quite heavy, but pretty cool mugs over here, or cups, whatever. I like them. Very unique. So I guess this right here, a little coffee / water kit. I got it here, portable CRKT knife sharpener. Let's see what this one is about. This knife is super dull. I think I got it in like fan mail or maybe junk drawer. Let's look at it close up. Knife sharpener, fire striker. Obviously it's not going to fix all these cracks inside of the blade, but in the field you wanna sharpen it up your knife. I think it is very, very nice. And this knife used to be so beat up. It's already so much sharper. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this gadget. Thumbs up for me. It's been about 10 minutes. I left it alone. It's still burning, look. You could definitely stack up 2 of them, no problem. Burning really, really well. And the water hot enough to where it's boiling. It's kind of like still simmering. I don't think it's gonna go to a full heavy boil because it's just kind of cold outside. You need a lid or something to get it really, really hot. But yeah, really good flame. I like it. It's a little like a pyramid and it diverts all the heat into the middle. Super cool.